This is our pay foam roll hot air thickening machine. This part is the main body. The front part is the material winder. The two at the back are the feeding racks. The last part is the external electrical box. The external electrical box operates independently and houses the PLC, servo motors, and other electrical elements. This design helps improve heat dissipation, preventing damage to the electrical components due to overheating. It will be more durable. To ensure the smoothness and flatness of lamination, the two foam rolls are distributed at different heights in front and behind. The height of the foam rolls can be adjusted by the air cylinder, so even the foam roll is 75 mm thick, it can be easily hung on the racks. If thickened foam rolls to a thickness of 100 mm or 150 mm, the height of the feeding racks needs to be raised, otherwise, it can't feed properly. The heights of the front and rear racks are individually controlled by pneumatic pressure. At the machine's feeding inlets, there are a total of 4 feeding rollers, 2 for feeding the upper material and 2 for feeding the lower material. They are controlled by buttons. Moreover, behind the rollers, there is a perforating needle bar installed. It works together with the rollers, allowing simultaneous feeding and perforation for air release. So you don't need to buy an additional perforating machine. This is the tensioning device, used to automatically tighten or release the material. First, feed the material through the tensioning device. Then, press the corresponding button at the bottom of the screen. The wrenching device will automatically tighten the material without manual adjustment. Next, press the button to control the upper and lower rollers to compress the material. The operation of the screen is very simple. For heating, simply click all the green buttons in the top row to start. For parameter setting, there is no need for a professional engineer. Regular workers can simply set the thickness of the upper and lower materials. Other parameters do not need adjustment, as they are mostly uniformly controlled. After setting on the screen, press Start button, the machine will begin to work. The machine automatically feeds the laminated material out, then you can pull the foam to the winder. While the machine is running, the winder is also rotating to collect the laminated material. When the machine stops, the baffle automatically pushes out the laminated foam roll and returns to its original position. It saves time and effort. On the left side of the discharge outlet, there is a motor that controls the simultaneous rotation of the two outfeed rollers, ensuring that the material is not stretched, shortened, or bent. And the laminated product will be more firmly bonded after the roller's pressing. Besides, the two rollers are equipped with a water circulation system that cools the laminated material after being heated by hot air, preventing damage to the material from high temperatures under the pressure of the rollers. Moreover, different from the traditional upward discharge mode, our machine features a side-balance discharge system. The advantage is that when bonding thick materials, the material outfeeds very smoothly and is easy to operate, requiring less effort. The machine is made of good materials, and its quality can be seen from its appearance. The machine weighs about 2 tons. This torque motor controller is to control the winder. Once adjusted, it will start with the machine, no need to adjust again. Look at the material used for our feeding rack, it is also very good. Even placing 75 mm thick foam rolls, the feeding rack operates without any wobbling.